Hi everyone, welcome back to Beladjar. Today, we're continuing our English 101 series with another conversation practice video. In this video, we'll listen to a dialogue between two friends as they order food at a restaurant. This will help you learn how to order food, ask questions, and understand common phrases used in a restaurant setting. Ready to improve your listening skills and expand your vocabulary? Let's get started.
Hi there, welcome to a lamb restaurant. Can I get you something to drink to start?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Sure, I'll be right back with your drink. Have you had a chance to look at the menu?
Yes, I'm ready to order. What do you recommend?
Our special today is the grilled salmon with a side of roasted vegetables. It's very popular.
That sounds delicious. I'll have that, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything else?
Yes, could I also have a small Caesar salad?
Of course. Anything else?
That'll be all for now, thank you.
Perfect. I'll get your order started, and your drink will be out shortly.
Thank you. Vocabulary and key phrases recap. 1. Can I get you something to drink? 2. I'll have. 3. What do you recommend? 4. Could I have? That's it for today's English listening practice. I hope this conversation helped you feel more confident ordering food in English. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Beladjar for more English learning content.